Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Kik account on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to sign up or create a new account and get started with Kik, then first, make sure that you download the application on your mobile device. If you don't have it yet, go to your App Store or your Play Store and get it downloaded first. Once you've done that, tap on the application to launch it open, and this is the first interface of Kik. Tap the Sign Up button in order to create a new account. Now, you can set a photo for yourself by tapping on Set Photo. Now, in the pop-up displayed at the bottom, there's two options you could work with. You can either take a picture from your camera by tapping on the Take Picture button, or you can choose an existing picture from your camera roll by tapping on Choose Existing. Allow access for Kik to your photos, medias, and files by tapping on Allow Access to All Photos, or you can select Limited Pictures by tapping on Select Photos. Select a picture from your camera roll and adjust the picture how you'd want it to appear on your profile. After you are done, tap Use and you'll be able to upload a picture for yourself. Now, enter your first name in the first text box and then your last name on the next. Type in a username for yourself and make sure to choose a unique username since two accounts cannot have the same username. Once you choose a username that is available, go to the next field and type in your email address. Once you type in an email address, head over to the next field and type in a password for your account. While entering a password, make sure to type in the password which will be easier for you to remember. And now, right where it says birthday, select your birth date from the toggle menu beneath. After you are done, type in your phone number on the next field, tap the circle right beneath, and agree to the terms and conditions of Kik, and finally tap on the Sign Up button in blue at the bottom. Now, turn on your notifications so that you will know instantly when someone messages you on Kik by tapping on Turn On. If you don't want to do that right now, select Not Now. Confirm your selection by tapping Yes. Now, you can find friends on Kik by synchronizing your phone contact. To do that, tap on Find Friends and allow access to your contacts by tapping OK. If you don't want to do that, you can skip the step and you'll be able to sign up for a new account for Kik. That is how you can easily create a new account for Kik. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.